I'm dying. Read this. Oh my god. Hold on, let me explain. I don't think I can. Fucking crying. So my brother bought this car, my younger brother, who's, by the way, 7 foot fucking tall. So he's my little big brother. So he got my mom this card, signed my name there. This is what he said. I can't read.
Gail's calling you.
I can't see shit. Oh. No, man, that was great.
Did she even, I bet she didn't even read that.
We love you, Mommy. Let me read it. For the people that have a hard time reading, I guess. It says, Mom, we love you so much, even when you are hitting bar cars and torturing Eric at the grocery store. I hope you enjoy your Mother's Day. It says you've always been my example, and you still are. I'm so grateful for you, Mom. Yeah, I'm coming. Hang on. It's because my mom is, she kind of needs her keys taken away, and she takes like 4 hours for a few things at a grocery store. Drives me nuts.
I got it. Oh.